With the rise of technology, the way we are marketed to has changed drastically. Digital marketing has gone from a nice to have in the early 2000s to absolute necessity. And if you don't have it, I need to ask you this. What the hell are you doing if you don't have a digital marketing strategy in 2019? Hey guys, this is Hannah from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell and keep their people. No longer do you believe the greaseball salesman and just take his word because he must be an expert on the topic. Nowadays, if someone tells you their product or service is number one, you can jump straight on Google, check out their rating, compare them to the competition and verify their claim. Traditional marketing or outbound marketing is all about saying, look at me, look at me, look at me. You're fighting with the millions of other brands out there vying for the attention of consumers. Outbound marketing is like the people in the street trying to get you to sign up to save the raccoons in Russia. You're not even sure if there are raccoons in Russia. So you put your head down, pretend you're on your phone and avoid eye contact at all costs. But no matter what, they won't stop until they have your attention. Now that's not saying that outbound marketing doesn't have its place in marketing today. It still plays a part alongside inbound. We're just saying there's other options, which is probably why you're here. Inbound is different. It's not just about marketing. It is a 360 approach that should have your customers coming back for more every single time. It's not just for marketing teams, it's for sales and services too. Businesses practicing inbound build trust and credibility with their customers and the industry they are in. They add value at every stage of the customer's journey that shows they aren't just Scrooge McDucking you or trying to get their hands on your money. Yes, they genuinely just want to help. The inbound methodology is about attracting visitors to your business, converting them into leads, closing the deal so they become customers, and continuing to delight them so they tell their friends and become promoters for your business. Hence the process of attract, convert, close, and delight. Inbound is a digital marketing strategy that is based on organically attracting leads and customers to solve a problem they face using your product. So what does that mean? Inbound marketing is about delivering the right information to your lead, customer or client at the right time. If you're a bald man, chances are you aren't looking for haircuts in your area. So why does that salon down the road continually keep sending you 50% off haircuts? There's no personalization or consideration for you or your chrome dome. If they offered you 50% off head massages, however, then you're slightly more inclined to check them out. It's about understanding who you're talking to, your target audience, and tailoring the messages you send to give the sales team the absolute best chance of closing the deal. This is called lead nurturing, and it's just one part of an overall strategy. If you've got a problem that needs solving, where do you go to? You Google how to fix it. You find a blog from a business dropping knowledge bombs on the issue and how to solve it. You think to yourself, damn, these guys really know what they're talking about. You decide they can solve the issue for you, so you contact them to learn more. This is an example of inbound marketing. You had a problem, their content, in this instance a blog post, answered your question, so you approached them to give you a hand. They didn't shove their marketing into your face, and that's the beauty of inbound. Now this brings us to the key to an effective inbound marketing strategy: content. You can't just post any old content and expect results. It has to be quality content. When creating content, a basic understanding of search engine optimization or SEO marketing is necessary so that it ranks on Google. How will people find it? But equally as important is that all of your content should be written with the purpose of identifying an issue or problem that your potential customers face. Inbound marketing has broken away from the traditional way of marketing and is a different way of working as a business that is tailoring the way you market to the way you customers purchase. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with implementing inbound marketing. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. That's it from me. Happy marketing.